Good morning. We're here in Split, and I'm about to show you the town. Well, okay. So maybe I'm a little close, but we are walking through Split Town. Okay, it's not Split Town, but it's Split. And we're getting pictures. Just taking pictures, visiting, seeing what we can see, checking out the sights down some narrow paths. Alright. We just missed it. Fish jumping right there. Jumped way out of the water. So here we are along the Riva. Not the river, the Riva. This is basically the promenade with all the restaurants. And it's beautiful at night, right here along the waterfront. If you look over here, you can see sailboats. Some look like they're trying to tip. Hopefully you can get a clear view of that. Go this way first. Okay. Thank you. Quite a narrow passage. So I'm barely fitting shoulder to shoulder. A lot of writing. Most of it old. Why do I have a mask on? Nobody's in here. Well, just that little few steps got me winded. This is really cool. I'm heading up the bell tower of Diocletian's palace, and this is the view. Love old European architecture. It's pretty great. So I hope you appreciate it. It's really cool. There you go. This is where I'm going. Oh, hit my head. I'm too tall for that. So you know, 5'8" is too tall. The dome over there. The bells in the bell tower. The shock. Shock number 1. Bells in a bell tower. I saw a video of this place before they restored the steps, and it was sketchy, but good to know, no longer sketchy. Oh, this is rad. This is what a nerd gets with seeing something cool you didn't know you were about to see. I guess that's a new definition. The birds love it up here. Love it. Here we go. We're at the top. Well, what's so great about the bell tower in Split at Diocletian's palace? It's this. The whole place. Just getting up and being able to see this beautiful European town. Especially its old town, which is right below us. People live and work within this palace. There's shops and stores, and there's only a few exclusives that you have to pay for. And if you're coming from the US, you can see the museum, the baptistry, the tower, and there's 5 different places. You can see them for about $9 each. It's dirt cheap. I recommend it. I highly recommend it. All I gotta do is say, wow. This is impressive. I'm just gonna say this is a maze. The Museum Grata. I am here. Here's our host, Diocletian, patron of everything Christian. Funny what his palace was turned into. So, I saw this creepy passage. I said, why not? You should go down it. Let's do. That's closed. disappointment. I was looking for the ghosts of Christmas past. I couldn't find them. No ghosts of Christmas past. Just hanging out. I don't know if you can see it, that cat. Just hanging out. There's cats everywhere here. Going into the crypt. Crypt keeper isn't here. Oh, very interesting. Crypt keeper's still not here. Dang it. Oh, that was it. Just so you know, this is just to the south of the bell tower if you're having a hard time finding it. And that's the cathedral right next to the bell tower. Okay.
If you like our videos, please like and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram at nerdgasmic.adventures and on Facebook at nerdgasmicadventures. If you would like to see what tours we have on offer, please visit nerdgasmicadventures.com.